Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Instagram story 60 seconds. So first of all we will go into the Instagram mobile application. Okay, now just click on the plus icon over here. Now scroll over to story section and just add your videos. So this video is 1 minute 44 seconds. Okay, now if I will put into a story here below down, you can see here that Instagram will split into 4 or 3 parts so that viewer can see exactly full video by swiping it, right? So if you want to do that, click on the next button. Instagram app. Okay, now just you can share over
Hi
here.
everybody, welcome to How to Solution.
So
In
this
this
is it
video,
guys,
I'm
this is
going
how
to
you
show
can
you
make
how
an
to
Instagram
add 1
reels.
minute.
So this is it guys, this is how you can make Instagram stories for 60 seconds. Now over here you can see the video has got split into 4 parts, 30 seconds, so that viewer can see exactly full video. But if you want to share the video in a longer form, you can use the reel section, which is of 60 seconds or 90 seconds. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful. Like this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and see you till the next video. Take care, goodbye.